For the first time in US history, a sitting or former president of the United States is facing a criminal trial. The trial of Donald Trump in what is called the hush money case has finally begun in New York this week, with the jury selection having been completed. In this particular case, Trump has been accused of paying an adult film star named Stormy Daniels over $130,000 several years ago in order for her not to speak up about an affair that she alleged that they had. Now, Trump denies the allegations, and many experts say that of all the criminal cases that he faces, and he faces several of them, this is probably the least worrisome for him. It will attract a jail term of 4 years if he's convicted, but they expect the actual punishment to be much less if he is indeed found guilty. Now, until now, Trump has been painting himself as a martyr. He's been essentially appealing to his core Republican base and saying that he's the victim of a political witch hunt. And polls are increasingly beginning to show that it is only his hardcore support base within the Republican Party that is buying that argument. More moderate Republicans seem to be on the fence when it comes to Donald Trump and have indicated in poll after poll that they may not be so thrilled to support him if he is actually convicted of a felony. What should worry Trump is that a new poll that's just been done by Reuters shows that more than 60% of registered voters in the United States say that they will not vote for Trump if he's actually convicted in a criminal case. And new polls also show a much closer race now between him and Joe Biden. Trump has blustered and bombasted his way all these years through all the scandals that he has faced, through his impeachments, and through these criminal charges that he is currently facing as well. But finally, not just with this case, but with other cases as well, it looks like his past may finally catch up, and the American people need to wake up and ensure that they don't elect him again.